Today, we're unboxing the MARVO M292 CAPO 20 white wired gaming mouse, a sleek and powerful tool for gamers worldwide. As we lift the lid, we're greeted by the stunning all-white design, perfectly balanced for performance and style. Inside, you'll find the mouse itself, featuring an ergonomic grip that fits like a glove. With its high-precision sensor adjustable up to 12,000 dpi, this mouse is built for accuracy and speed, whether you're sniping enemies or navigating fast-paced gameplay. The RGB lighting adds a vibrant touch, customizable to match your gaming setup. Plus, the durable build ensures it will last through countless gaming sessions. So, if you're looking for a gaming mouse that combines functionality with style, the MARVO M292 CAPO 20 is your perfect match. If you enjoyed this unboxing, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more tech reviews. See you in the next video.